I hope all is well. I have 11 questions, and the way I titled this was Life, Coffee, and Everything in Between. As we go through this little experiment or exercise, if there's any other questions that you may have, let me know. So, life, coffee, and everything in between. Is there a particular smell, taste, sound associated with coffee that brings back a specific memory or feeling for you? That's question number 8. Is there a particular smell, taste, sound? I think I kind of already said a lot of stuff about the smell and taste of coffee. I think, of course, in the beginning of this whole talking about the life coffee and everything in between, is that first pour. That first pour is extremely magical. You can't beat that. You know what I'm talking about when you heard it earlier, but when you pour that first cup or that first bit of coffee that you're about to drink, you know you're about to hopefully have a good time. It just wakes you up. That sensory of like the first pour. I can't do it right now, but let me drink some more of this and we'll see if we can kind of mimic that again. But you get that, you may not get, you get the smell every time. You may not get the taste every time, but you get that first sound every time. Can't beat that. So I would say that.